SharePoint 1.12.1 is finally here. However, before we can begin to develop, we need to know that version 1.12.1 of SPFx replaces Node 10 with Node 14, Gulp 3 with Gulp 4, and it has updated versions of Yeoman Generator. Still, we need to support older solutions. So you may ask the question, how on earth do I support multiple versions of Node on one computer? So the good news is NVM to the rescue, or Node Version Manager. Yes, using NVM you can easily switch between versions of Node, and the good news is they work independently of one another, so each version won't affect the other. So if we're building a SharePoint Framework 1.11 project, for example, and we need to switch to Node 10, simply type the command NVM use 10. When building a 1.12.1 project, simply switch to Node 14 using the command NVM use 14. It's that easy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to install NVM on Windows 10. Then for your 1.11 projects, we're going to use Node 10, and for our 1.12.1 projects, we're going to use Node 14. So this episode will set us up to use version 1.12.1 of the SharePoint framework. For a more thorough overview of the development environment, look at episode 2 of the SharePoint Framework for Beginners series. The link is above. So the steps are, we need to install Node 14 and use Node 14. Within the Node context, when we install packages, Node Package Manager or NPM knows what versions to load. So when we install Gulp, it will install the correct version of Gulp for Node 14. Installing Yeoman will install the correct version of Yeoman for Node 14. And installing the generator for Yeoman will install the correct version for Node 14. So let's build a simple web part. And now let's check out package.json to show that it's using the latest packages. Run npm install, trust the development certificate, build everything, and then serve it up to show it's all working. Congratulations, you're set up for version 1.12.1. But what about upgrading an existing project from 1.11 to 1.12.1? Well, you can follow the step-by-step instructions from Microsoft, the link is below. However, the quick way I use is to look at the package.json file of your new 1.12.1 project. In your 1.11 project, delete the node modules folder, that can sometimes take a while. Delete the package.lock file. Update your package versions to match your 1.12.1 project. Ensure you're using Node 14 by checking your node version. If not, use NVM to switch to Node 14. Run npm install and build your project, and it will now be upgraded to version 1.12.1. Excellent, we're all ready to go for version 1.12.1. So I hope you found that episode useful. As Microsoft release major versions, I'll try and keep up to date with these tutorials. If you haven't done already, please subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you next time.